Unplug the power cord from the power strip, then unplug the power strip from the outlet. Return the power strip to the canvas bag and rewrap the power cord and place back inside the power cord compartment. Use the silver key to close and relock the compartment. Next, close the DS200 screen and use the black barrel key to relock it. Close the ballot box lid and rehook lid latches. Use the silver key to relock the ballot box lid. Secure the ballot box lid with a red seal and record the number on the designated envelope and statement of results. The DS200 and ballot box are now closed and secure.